Now let us discuss the difference between the preference shares and equity shares. Here is the first basis, right to dividend. Preference shares, in case of preference shares, dividend is paid on preference shares before it is paid to equity shares. As I told you earlier, dividend means that part of the profit which is distributed to shareholders. So dividend is first paid to preference shareholders, then only it is paid to equity shareholders, and in case of equity shareholders they will get the dividend money after it is paid to preference shareholders. Second point, rate of dividend. In case of preference share it is fixed, but in case of equity shareholders rate of dividend is proposed by the board of directors every year. Next is third point is arrears of dividend. If arrears means the amount which is unpaid as dividend to preference shareholders. So if there is if any cumulative preference shareholders are there in a company, then they will get that arrear of dividend before the dividend of that year is paid to equity shareholders. So that privilege is given to the cumulative preference shareholders, that they will get in any year any profit, that is dividend amount is not paid to preference shareholders, they will get that money. Okay, but in case of equity shareholders, dividend is declared every year. In case dividend is not declared during the year, it is not accumulated to be paid in the coming year. So actually for equity shareholders dividends are paid every year, but if any of the year the company decided not to give the dividend, so that part of dividend which is not paid during that year will not be paid the coming year. Next, fourth point is convertibility. Preference shares can be converted into equity shares if the terms of issue so provided, but equity shares cannot be converted into any other form. Next is redemption. Redemption means repayment of the amount. Preference shares are redeemed on the due date, but in case of equity shareholders they can be buy back, the company can buy back its own share. Next is voting right. Preference shares have voting right only in special circumstances, but in case of equity shareholders they always have the voting right. Next is repayment of capital. So on winding up, the preference shareholders is repaid before the equity share capital is paid. So at the time of closing of the company, the preference shareholder will be the first to get the amount of their capital before it is paid to equity shareholders. So opposite is the case with equity, they will get the same case. On the winding up, equity share capital is repaid after the preference share capital is paid. Next is eighth point is right to participate in management. Preference shareholders, they do not have the right to participate in the management of the company, but equity shareholders, they have the right to participate in the management of the company. So these are the points of difference between preference shares and equity shares. You have already studied this difference between in your +1 business study class. Now it is time to wind up our today's session. In today's class we have discussed about share capital and the term shares. We also saw different classes of shares, that is preference shares and equity shares. We saw many sub-classification related to preference shares. Then we saw the difference between the preference shares and equity shares. Children, so go through the topic which we have discussed today through the notes I have provided you, and we will discuss some more new concept related to shares in our coming class. So till then, take care. Goodbye.